This is a demonstration software of the rx5808 Pro control software. The components are Arduino Nano 3.0, rx5808 receiver with SPI patch. Then we have an optional beeper here. So you have 4 keys. 2 are mandatory. This is a mode, what is mandatory, and the seek is mandatory. Then we have an optional down and optional save button. And it's also possible to operate with a dip switch. The dip switch operation is here made with the dip switches. What you see right now is one of the screens. You see the auto mode. In this case, we can search for any channel. You see the mode always at the top. You see the current band. You see the 8 channels, the frequency. This is the signal strength here, what is live. And here you have a spectrum, and the current channel is tuned to here. When I start the seek, it scans through all the frequencies until it finds the strength channel and selects to it. Let's press the mode button and see what else we have. On mode we get a menu. With mode you can toggle between all the different options. When you stay for 2 seconds it will select the mode. Here is again the seek. Let's go to the second screen. The second screen is the scanner. The scanner will just show a spectrum. It will scan within 1 second all 32 channels. If it finds a valid channel, it will print the name of the channel. In this case is the E2 and the frequency up here. If there are more channels, it will line up all the found channels. If you press the seek button, it will just redraw the entire screen. Press mode again to go to the menu. Let's select manual mode. Manual mode. You can select the channel manually. With the up button you go 1 channel up. With the optional down you go 1 down. Notice here that the frequency seems to jump around here. The reason is that the channels, the frequency in all these bands are totally mixed. The sum of all will get all the frequency. But if you look for the tables you understand why this jumps. When you go down to all these different channels, you will notice that the band will change, and up it will also change. In my case, my receiver is on band E2. Here's my one, and here again you have a small spectrum analyzer as in the seek mode. Let's use the next mode. The next mode is a dip switch mode. This mode is made if somebody don't like the graphical user interface. In this case, you control everything with the dip switches here. You have dip switches where you can select the channel, and dip switches too where you can select the band. The nice thing on this mode is if you would like to use the software without any interaction, you just choose dip switch mode and you control it by the dip switches without any key, any else. And there is even a special pin. When you select this, it will keep the entire system always in dip switch mode. This is nice for standalone operation. When you use this, you would like to save the frequency or would like to comment in a certain screen. For that there is a save function. I would like, for example, go to manual mode. For example this. Select my channel, what is here. And I would like that the system will come up with this screen next time. For this, to get this, we have the save menu. Let's go to the save mode. So when I go to save, it will come up with the last menu. In this case is manual mode. Go in here, wait 2 seconds. Now saving this channel and this mode, and on next power-up it will come up with this. Last thing is scaling of the RSSI signal. Depending on the receiver it may vary, and it's possible to set it up. This is a hidden function in the save setup. When we do save setup, you will notice in the bottom line, please press the mode button, and when I do this, it will do automatically scaling. Let's show it. I go to save. Now it says here, press hold mode. It's entering the setup. Now it's scanning 10 times the band. It's giving us minimum, maximum number. And after 10 times, it takes these numbers as averages for min and max and saves it. And it will come out automatically next time. So now we have the new setting. Let's go to the band scanner again. So interesting if you have, if you would like to have more sensitivity in the band scanner or in the seek. The only thing you have to do is just do a RSSI setup again with a less strong signal, and by this the sensitivity of the screen and selection will verify. So that's it. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Let's. I think this is very helpful from controlling your monitor. For somebody who's not familiar with this is just controlling the RX module. The screen replaces a touch screen or a LCD display. It's just use your equipment you have, and what you do is you just use this for controlling the RX, and your video signal will be generated. And the nice thing is you have this display already, and this display can be used for your video signal and also for setting up your equipment. Hopefully enjoyed it, and enjoy building it by yourself. Bye bye.